Welcome to Mentor Next Door. Today, we are going to share more travel tips with you in this video, as promised. Whether you're someone who starts packing ahead of time or waits until the last minute, these hacks will ensure that your clothes don't get wrinkled and you have plenty of room for souvenirs. Keep watching to learn how to pack faster and smarter, without the stress. 1. Roll clothes and pack them first. Use the roll method to prevent creases. Spread tops face down, fold the sleeves and roll from the bottom up. Fold the pant legs together and roll from waist down. 2. Choose travel-friendly fabrics. Opt for knits and stretchy fabrics while traveling. Even if they wrinkle, the creases will fall out when you hang them up. Woven fabrics are more prone to wrinkling. 3. Place heavy items at the base. Keep weightier things like shoes and books by the wheeled end of your suitcase. This will help your bag stay stable when upright. 4. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes keep your suitcase organized and stacked. Use lightweight and thin cubes to avoid losing suitcase space. 5. Get an extra bag for souvenirs. Keep a foldable bag or travel backpack. It won't take up much space on the way to your destination and you can fill it with anything you buy on your travels. 6. Keep your liquids in leak-proof bags. Keep all liquids like perfumes, shampoos etc. in a separate, clear bag so you can easily pass through security. This will also prevent leakage in your bag. 7. Keep a warm scarf in your carry-on. Planes can be chilly. A warm wrap will help you stay warm. You can also fold it and use it as a pillow. 8. Wear your bulkiest clothing in transit. Instead of packing your coat inside your bag and waste precious space and weight, wear it on the plane. You can later put it in the overhead bin if you wish. 9. Wrap your shoes in shower caps. Wrap each shoe in a disposable shower cap before putting it in your bag or suitcase to keep everything else clean from the dirt on the bottom of your shoes. 10. Pack a spare outfit in your carry-on. If your checked bag gets delayed or lost, you'll need clean clothes to change into when you get to your hotel. Always keep a day's outfit and underwear in your carry-on, just in case. We hope you find these tips helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Safe travels!